Can you share? Can you share? Please.
Okay.
We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. For sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. We can all share together. Be kind to everyone. Hello everyone! I'm Maralu, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you about the action words. But before that, I'm going to ask you first if do you have a favorite cartoon characters? Yes, of course you have. Maybe your favorite cartoon characters is Elsa and many more. I know you have your favorite cartoon characters because I also have my favorite cartoon characters. Do you want to know who it is? My favorite cartoon character is Phineas and Ferb. Say hi to Phineas and Ferb. So that is my favorite cartoon character. So would you like to hear a story about Phineas and Ferb? Okay, but before that, let me ask you first if what will you do if someone is reading? Okay, you will listen carefully. The story is entitled The Outer Space of Phineas and Ferb. One day, while they were sitting at their yard, Phineas and Ferb had a strange idea. They planned to have a big rocket, which they will be using to go to the moon. When they finally got to the moon, their excitement brought them to jump vigorously. Phineas and Ferb had a great time to playing in outer space. They sang a lullaby, they danced energetically, and also they ran all over the moon. The two boys had a wonderful experience playing together. That's why Phineas and Ferb felt tired. At that point, they decided to go back at their house and take a rest. So that's the end of our story. Do you like the story? Yes, of course you like it. Did you understand the story, class? Who are the character of the story? So the character of the story are Phineas and Ferb. Where did they go? So they go to the moon. They play. So what do Phineas and Ferb does first in the moon? They jump vigorously. After that, what are the activities they do over the moon? They dance, they sing, jump, and they run. So I have here a picture. And now, what have you noticed about this picture? The picture shows an action. What do you mean by those words? It means action words. What do you call the words that shows action? It is called a verb. That is our topic for today. So now what do you mean by verbs? Verbs are words that shows an action. Let's have an example of an action word. How about this? The picture shows eating. So that eating is an action. How about this one? The picture shows talking. So talking is an action words. Do you now understand verbs? Okay. Now, let's see if you really understand the action words or the verbs. Our activity is we are going to play a word hunting. Are you excited? Yeah. What you're going to do is to search for the words inside the word hunt as if I give you a clue for every word that you are going to look for. Is that clear? Okay, number 1. What do you do when you are very sad? When you are very sad, you cry. So let's look if that words are in the word hunt. This is the word cry. Number 2. What do you do when you see something is funny? You laugh. So let's find the word laugh in the word hunt. That is the word laugh. Number 3. What do you do when you are in a hurry? You run. Let's find if the word run is in the word hunt. So that is the run. Number 4. What did you do when you see a book? You read. Reading is an action word. Number 5. What did you do when you are hungry? You will eat. So those words, cry, run, read, eat, is an example of action words. Do you now understand of what is an action words? Can you now identify the action words? Okay, action words is the word that shows an action. So what do you call the words that shows action? So it is called verbs. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Please share it to everyone because sharing is fun. Bye-bye.